doing a YouTube video?
Yeah. Chris thought he could beat me in a bitching contest. This is Western, everyone, because I know I've got a few American subscribers as well. So this is Western for some of my American subscribers. Old fashioned. It's got a bit of history to it as well. Sea's always halfway in and halfway out here, unless you come up early in the morning. But it's like after, what time is it now then?
25 past 4.
It's like 25 past 4 now, so the tide's going out. It's been going out for the last couple of hours, as you can see by the ships that are stranded. That's called Seagull Island over there. Or is it called Barren Rock or something like that? Just over there, the other side is Cardiff, which is like about 10 miles away or something. But it's across the sea, so you can't get there unless you've got a boat. There is a boat that comes here once a week and takes Western people to Cardiff and Cardiff people to Western. You can see like a lighthouse over there. I'll show you. I don't know if you can just about see that, it's quite far away, so it's about 10 or so miles from Western to Cardiff, but you have to drive around it, which takes like hours to do. You have to go through you have to go from Weston to Bristol, where you go across the Bristol Channel, and there's a bridge that goes across the Bristol Channel which links Bristol with Cardiff. So yeah. What are you up to? Oh. Keeping an eye on you. So it's nice here, yeah. Let's just sit and watch the tide all day. It's very relaxing. Good for meditation and that. Best not be trying to chuck me over.
No, why would you do that?
Because you was last time, he was trying to chuck me over last time. Oh, let's walk across these. Ah, okay. Yeah, these yellow bars are preventing me from walking along. Scaffolding. Oh, it's bad luck to walk under scaffold, isn't it? Bad luck doesn't affect me. I'm above it. Texting someone, Chris?
Yeah.
Are you texting?
Richard.
Are you alcoholic friend?
Yeah.
Are you slagging us off for going to Weston today? What did he say now?
He's just called me gay.
He's called you gay, oh right. Fascinating, I'm sure. Oh, it's on YouTube, you know. Who's trying gay sex?
Me?
Well, you have?
No, he has.
Oh, right, good for him. Oh, wow, look at that ride over there. Oh, wow. Wow. Very windy here today in Weston. Put my jumper back on because I've got my sleeveless pink t-shirt on underneath. As you can see.
Hello, we're in Western Supermare. This is Lee and
Oh my god,
Daryl.
people
Say
are
hello,
climbing
Lee.
there. Oh.
There's Daryl. This is
What?
C.
Whatever.
There's Home Island.
Oh my god, look at them kids climbing there.
Daryl's doing a YouTube video on there.
Yes, I am. Here's Cardiff, you can see. Cardiff over there. Wow, I don't know how they can climb that. That's so dangerous. Can't climb that. Bit of a drop. Wow, it's so dangerous, I wouldn't do that. I've just climbed from the bottom of that cliff. Without any safety equipment or anything. And 2 teenagers there. Oh God, I hope you don't fall. Oh God, that looks really dangerous. No, they need to stop so close to. Right. Wow, you've done it as well. Well, we made that look easy, didn't we? Wow. Yeah, we got there then. We got down. I don't think I'll be trying it though. I don't know, I would if I had the equipment, if I had the ropes. I've done abseiling before. That's not actually abseiling though, is it? That's rock climbing. Are you filming? Oh.
I've finished now.
Okay. And then we can walk across the bridge that disappears underwater during the high tide. Tide's low at the moment, but this bridge disappears under the tide as you're walking across it in the high tide. Some nice flats there. Seagull better not shit on my head. I've got to stop filming random people. That seagull is hovering over me. What's that? I don't know. What's that then? That seagull better not shit on me.
Throwing crackers.
Oh yeah, they're throwing the firecrackers. And kids are down there, aren't they? This is the bridge that disappears under the sea in high tide. I mean, it looks well out of the sea at the moment, but during high tide that bridge completely disappears under the tide. Goes
Load your cannon and shoot him!
Huh? What are you on about? What the fuck are you on about, Chris? It's a pattern. Chris is acting a part again. Have you took your tablets today, Chris?
What?
Have you took your tablets today? What are you on now? Sertraline and what?
So,
He's on 150 milligrams of sertraline in case he goes nuts. And he's on Depixel. What's Depixel for?
anxiety.
Anxiety.
And levothyroxine for underactive thyroid gland.
And I'm the only one that's not on medication because Lee's on medication as well for psychosis. Do you mind me saying that, Lee?
No.
He's on paliperidone for psychosis. And I just take meditation to stay sane.